Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new feature, Members Trade of the Week. It's something we just started recently. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the trading director for 10-Minute Trades. Please remember all the trades we discuss for educational purposes. Don't forget, just trade money you can afford to lose. So one of our members, Langford, who lives overseas, was running around taking his mom to the doctor and just got back in time to trade Netflix earnings. And as you can see, he cleared almost $1,100 on his Netflix earnings trade. He only traded three contracts, so very reasonable trading for the average person. And he had a very nice sized third target. That's what gave him the extra profit. Almost $1,100 in profit on Netflix, 1090.25 to be exact. So Langford from Anguilla, the trade of the week, members trade of the week. Congratulations. Thanks for submitting. And we'll see you in the trade room next week. This is Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades, members trade of the week, Netflix earnings.